Hey everyone, the JBL Boombox 4 is the latest evolution of JBL's flagship outdoor Bluetooth speaker line, officially launched in China with a retail price of $557. Available in black, blue, and a striking camouflage finish, this fourth-generation model takes the iconic boombox design and refines it for improved portability, power, and versatility. One of the first noticeable changes is its updated body design, which integrates a sturdy molded handle for easier carrying. Combined with a weight that is 12% lighter than its predecessor, the Boombox 3, this makes the speaker more practical for travel, whether you're taking it to the beach, a park, or a backyard gathering. Inside, the Boombox 4 features a carefully engineered 7-driver system consisting of 3 passive radiators, 2 powerful 5-inch woofers, and 2 0.75-inch tweeters. Together, these components deliver a wide soundstage with deep bass, detailed mids, and crisp highs. When connected to AC power, the speaker reaches an impressive 210-watt RMS output, while on battery power, it still maintains a substantial 180-watt RMS, a level of performance that ensures rich, room-filling sound even outdoors. JBL has further enhanced the listening experience with its new AI Sound Boost algorithm, which actively analyzes your music in real time and adjusts output levels for optimal clarity and balance. For bass lovers, JBL includes a 2-level bass boost mode, accessible through a dedicated button, allowing users to customize low-end intensity to suit different environments and music styles. Whether you prefer tight, controlled bass for acoustic tracks or a chest-thumping thump for EDM and hip-hop, the Boombox 4 can be tuned accordingly. Connectivity has also been upgraded, with the Boombox 4 now supporting Auracast and Bluetooth 5.4. Auracast allows users to pair the speaker wirelessly with multiple compatible JBL speakers for synchronized playback across larger areas, perfect for parties or events. The ability to connect to 2 Bluetooth devices simultaneously adds further convenience, enabling seamless switching between, for example, a phone and a laptop without the hassle of manual reconnections. While Bluetooth streaming is the primary mode of use, the Boombox 4 also supports lossless music playback via its USB-C port. This feature, backed by JBL's high-quality digital-to-analog converter, means users can enjoy high-resolution audio directly from a PC or other digital source, bypassing compression limitations and delivering studio-like fidelity. Battery life is another standout feature. The integrated 99 watt-hour battery delivers up to 28 hours of continuous playback, and with Playtime Boost mode activated, this can extend to as much as 34 hours. The Boombox 4 also doubles as a 30-watt power bank, capable of charging devices, ideal for keeping phones or tablets powered during long outings. Measuring 506.4 by 262.9 by 212.9 millimeters and weighing 5.89 kilos, the Boombox 4 maintains a substantial, premium feel without being unwieldy. Its robust build is complemented by an IP68 rating, making it resistant to both dust and water immersion. This ruggedness means it's just as at home poolside or on a camping trip as it is in a living room. In every aspect, from its upgraded driver system and adaptive audio processing to its enhanced connectivity, extended battery life, and durable construction, the JBL Boombox 4 is designed to deliver powerful, flexible, and reliable sound wherever you take it. It represents a meaningful step forward for the Boombox series, blending audiophile-grade performance with the toughness and portability that outdoor enthusiasts demand. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.